Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, this is what the new colors of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could look like. Galaxy S25 Ultra close-up renders showcase the new design and reveal color options. Samsung Galaxy S25 series colors leaked before January 2025 official launch. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung appears set to make a design pivot for its flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra, moving away from the curved display design that has been a signature of the Ultra series in recent years. The latest renderings shared by a famous designer, Technizo Concept, offer a closer look at these design changes and speculate the color options. Last month, the standard color options of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, slated to launch early next year, were revealed. Recently, more colors of the device were leaked, hinting they will be available in limited quantities, as online exclusive colors. Cut to now, we have some concept images of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, courtesy of leakster Technizo Concept. The leakster has shown the flagship phone in multiple shades, giving us a hint at how the color options may look on the Galaxy S25 Ultra flagship. Based on the images shared on social media platform X, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shown in 4 colors: titanium gray, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver. Interestingly, the titanium green color, which is rumored to be a standard color for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is missing from the leaked image set. Speaking of the colors, the titanium blue shade is highlighted prominently, and is shown to have a slight violet hue to it. The frame on all colors may feature the natural titanium color shade. Moreover, the titanium gray option could be the signature color of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Another interesting detail that can be derived from the concept images is the camera rings on the purported Galaxy S25 Ultra look reminiscent of those on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, corroborating a previous leak with the same claim. The phone also appears thinner and has minimal bezels around the display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra was recently spotted on Geekbench with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The phone achieved impressive benchmark scores and is expected to improve with further optimizations before its official release. Samsung is also rumored to add a fourth model, the Galaxy S25 Slim, to the Galaxy S25 series, a few months after the lineup's launch. The main key features of the smartphone will be the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a larger 6.9-inch display and an improved 200-megapixel main camera sensor. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.